Welcome to World Insights by Hareem, where food meets culture in the tastiest battles. Today, we're exploring the culinary rivalry between two neighboring giants, Russia and Ukraine. Both countries boast rich food traditions filled with history, warmth, and flavor. So, who will win this epic world food war? Let the battle begin. We start with the most famous dish from both countries, borscht. While both Russia and Ukraine claim this beetroot soup as their own, there are subtle differences. Ukraine's version is richer and includes pork, while Russia often keeps it simpler, focusing on the beets. Which version warms your soul? In round two, it's the ultimate dumpling duel. Russia presents Pelmeni tender dumplings filled with meat, served piping hot. Ukraine counters with Varenyky versatile dumplings stuffed with everything from potatoes and cheese to sweet cherries. It's savory versus sweet, or maybe both. Which dumpling do you dig into first? Next, it's a pancake showdown. Russia brings blini thin, delicate pancakes, often topped with luxurious caviar. On the other hand, Ukraine offers daruni crispy potato pancakes that are hearty and comforting. Will you pick sophistication or rustic charm in this round? Round 4 takes us to the main course. Russia fires up shashlik, juicy skewers of marinated meat grilled to perfection. Ukraine strikes back with chicken Kiev crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, with butter oozing out. It's grill versus gourmet. What's your winner? Time for dessert in round 5. Russia presents medovik, a multi-layered honey cake that's rich and sweet. Ukraine counters with syrniki, fluffy cheese pancakes served with jam or honey. Both are deliciously comforting, but which one wins your heart? So, who wins this flavorful world food war? Is it Russia with its hearty classic flavors, or Ukraine with its rustic and soulful dishes? Tell us your pick in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Insights by Hareem for more exciting food battles and cultural explorations. Until next time, happy eating, or as they say, priятного аппетита and smacznego.